Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Friday, the 21st of October. This is the weekly recap. If you want to join us, there's a link in the description below. Make sure you subscribe on YouTube and click on live. Come over to smartoptiontrading.com, click on live trading alerts, and you can try us for 30 days for 25 bucks. Cancel anytime. Let's talk about this week as market just hit highs of the day here. It's been a very, very difficult week here in the markets. If you look at the action here on Monday, we had a kind of a funky candle. We gapped up on Tuesday and then pulled all the way back. Weak on choppy on Wednesday, weak and choppy on Thursday. And then today we were falling apart, and you can really see this when you look at it pre-market. Right to my line, sand 362, and all of a sudden, miraculously, news comes out from Wall Street Journal that the Fed is thinking about pivoting based upon what they've been saying. Now, I've been listening to the Fed, and they haven't said anything that makes me think they're going to pivot. But that's what all the market needed. And the market decided that's good enough for us. We pushed up, came in, one nice bounce, looked like we're going to fall apart again, came down, went through VWAP, and then regained it. And we've been grinding up ever since on low volume. Next week, we go into next week, there's no Fed talk. So the beautiful part about this article is it came out just as the Fed goes their blackout period. They couldn't talk anymore. So you have no Fed speak for the next 10 days. You have a lot of data next week coming out, and a lot of inflationary data, including the jobs, nope, not the jobs report, the inflationary data. And you have earnings. It's a very big week of earnings. Tech is absolutely massive. We're pulling up into the top of this candle at 375.45. This is a good pattern. Typically, though, what you'd want is a green candle up, a couple day pullback, and then a green candle up, and usually you go up from here. Might it be tough next week? It could be because of all the data, but there'll be no Fed. And if earnings are good, this market can rocket. So levels stay the same as we talked about. We take out this candle, 380 to the 50-day at 397 area. And then above that, we start looking up towards the 200-day. Nothing's changed here, in my opinion. What is driving this? Well, let's talk about the VIX real quick. We have a very strange divergence. The VIX is closing in on highs of the day here and is coming up, and the market's going up. This should not be. We'll worry about this next week, not here. But what's driving this move here is the dollar. And DXY today, what a reversal. And you can see it was raging up. And here's when that article hit and came crashing down. We have that going on. Bonds still not great. New multi-year low here, not helping us out, but that's what it is. What it is. What was good for us this week? We traded SPX options. We had a good luck with lottos on those. Netflix was great on earnings, and then the next day, and here it is breaking out further into that big ass gap it has, and a nice big candle today. It woke up, took out the 200-day, and charging here, and you just had to decide to take the chance. That's where it finally woke up and went, and now here it is all the way up at 290. So it finally broke above 278 and ran for another 12 plus bucks here today. Outside of that, energy's been strong. ExxonMobil put in a new all-time high. Schlumberger strong, good report today, big reward there. The banks have been holding in this week. JP Morgan took out the earnings high now and running here. Wells Fargo also very strong. So the market has woken up here, and there's a nice, decent participation today. It's not fabulous, but it's decent. Breadth is strong, not a trend update, but strong enough here at this point after a big reversal. So I'll do charts on Sunday morning. We'll see where we're going from here. I hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you guys bright and early in the room on Monday morning.